Dicho número 4. La curiosidad mató al gato. This is a common one. This is a very, very, very common one. La curiosidad mató al gato. Curiosidad. Curiosidad means curiosity. Okay. Mató comes from the verb matar, which means to kill. Mató, past tense. Gato means cat. El gato. Remember, when we have a el, that becomes al. That's why we have al gato. La curiosidad. Curiosidad is feminine, and that's why we have this article. La curiosidad. Feminine article. Definite article. La curiosidad mató al gato. What does this mean? We're talking about curiosity. We're talking about a cat and about killing. So that doesn't sound good. What are we talking about? This literally means, as I said, curiosity killed the cat. That's what this phrase means. So the meaning is, I try to find something in some English saying similar to this Spanish saying, but I couldn't find anything. So if you know about one, an English saying similar to this one, please let me know. Meaning is like, you can use this in a situation when someone is being nosy and you're just saying being nosy will often cause you trouble. Sometimes being nosy is not good. People noticing that you're nosy, that you're being nosy, can get mad at you, can I don't know, they can react in a I don't know, it could be, they could be aggressive even if you are nosy about things. So this is what this saying is about. La curiosidad mató al gato. Essentially, we're talking about it's not good to be nosy. So don't be nosy because you can get in trouble. Okay. For example, I could say, mejor no preguntes. Mejor no preguntes. La curiosidad mató al gato. Mejor no preguntes. La curiosidad mató al gato. So when you say mejor no preguntes, that means it's better you don't ask, or it's better not to ask. So don't ask questions, basically. That's what you're saying. Just don't ask me. I don't know. I don't wanna be part of it. Right? So mejor means, it's in this situation means it's better. Okay, it's better. It's better. No, not. It's better not. Preguntes. This comes from the verb preguntar, which means to ask or to, pretty much it means to ask. Preguntar, to ask. So when you say mejor no preguntes, it's like saying mejor tú no preguntes. Okay, so it will go here. Tú. But you don't need tú. Mejor tú no preguntes. And that means it's better you don't ask. Okay. And then the rest, of course, you know what that means. La curiosidad mató al gato, and that means don't be nosy. It's like saying don't be nosy. It will cause you trouble. Okay? So don't be nosy. Don't be gossipy. Stop it. Sometimes, I mean, it's good not to get in the middle of things, because you don't want to be part of nasty situations. Maybe people are fighting over something and you're just nosy, but you know what? It's better not to ask. People can deal with their stuff. Why should you bother, being nosy about it? Okay, Saya says, I think English has the exact same one. Really? I didn't know that, but that's interesting. This is a good saying for sure. Just to say to someone in a fun way, don't be nosy. Very much. Just don't be nosy, please. Don't be nosy. It's like you can think of, when a couple argues and the mother-in-law wants to say something, wants to add something to the situation just by saying something. It's not good, It's not good. You have to let people deal with their problems. Okay, unless they ask for an advice or they're asking for help, then of course, if you can help them. But if they don't ask, bye. Bye-bye.